Start all over again. No sound. Sound strike pteranodon. Third attempt. I waited till I opened it. Alright. Alright. Here's your official Jurassic World barcode for all you lazy nerds who can't go out to the store and get their own. That'll work. Now, see this? That's a double jointed. This right here is. Now, Saturday we're gonna go out. Tomorrow, the new primal attacks that'll come out. Alright guys, we just left Target in Florence. So, they're starting to sell some of those early. Yeah. Now, here's my, I just wanted to, show you guys. I painted my biodynamic baryonyx to look a little different. You can hardly tell where the biodynamic was. I painted some more of the underbelly. Painted over that brown, this yellow. It was a real baryonyx. So yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.